Hey guys, today I'll be rating EAS alarms because you guys wanted me to do this. So I'm gonna play alarms and I read it, and if I get scared, then I get scared, and you guys can unsubscribe from me, and I kill myself. Let's start. That alarm is nothing to me. Literally nothing. Nothing. I'm used to it. 5 out of 10. Still a little bit scary though. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. If I would have heard this at 3 a.m., I would laugh at the government for playing this goofy alarm at 3 a.m. just to alert. That's just scary. That's horrifying. That's a 9.5 out of 10. I would say this alarm is trash, but yeah, I think you see my point now. I can't believe y'all want me to make this video. I could have been paying taxes. Yay, I got 2 likes on my video. That's all, folks. I'll see you whippersnappers in the next video. Goodbye. I'm never coming back. Dun, 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 dun.